Today's video is all about helping you get more reps on your body weight rows. Very important, especially for those following combat conditioning, because one of the steps is body weight rows, and there's a lot of reps you need to do in order to meet the progression standard and move to the next step. Essentially, these tips are all about helping you engage your lats to a higher degree, because when the lats aren't working as well, we're relying so much on our biceps and the shoulder muscles to complete the movement, which sounds great, like we want to work our arms, don't we? But these are small muscles, relatively speaking, and they fatigue very quickly, so you're not going to get a whole lot of reps out of them. Your lats, by comparison, are much bigger and they can handle a lot more workload. So start off with having a bit of a squeeze session before your rows and pull-up session, where you're basically pulling your elbows back and squeezing them in towards each other. Your lats squeeze everything in towards your center line. It's not about spreading out wide. So when you're rowing, you want to feel like you're almost trying to pull your elbows together behind you, like you're doing almost a reverse hug, if you will. This will increase the lat activation and give you much better endurance, strength, and power for every single rep. The other thing you can do is make sure your hands aren't too high up on your chest. Pulling with your hands really high, again, increases the range of motion at the elbow, decreases the range of motion in the shoulder, so you're getting more biceps rather than less back, which is great if you want to build up your arms, but you're going to fatigue a lot faster. Instead, pull your hands so that you're rowing towards the bottom of your chest or even the top of your belly a little bit. This will get much more lat activation, save the arms a little bit, and give you the power to get many more reps. So let us know down below in the RDP community, what are some of the best tips for rowing that you've come across that you'd like to share with us? Also, how's your journey on combat conditioning coming along if you're following along the progression steps? And if you have any questions with that, I'd love to help you out as well. Till then, be fit, live free.